Through this video, let's understand how a liquidity analysis is done. Look at this. You have current asset, current liability information, and using that, I'm also going to calculate current ratio. Look at scenario A, where the current asset is 100, current liability is 100. So if you calculate current ratio, it is going to be 100 by 100, and the ratio is going to be 1:1. It means for every 1 rupee obligation, that is current liability, there is a resource of 1 rupee, which is current asset. So here things looks like so perfect, but that may not be the case in reality. Look at scenario B, where current asset is 100, current liability is 125, and if you calculate the ratio 100 divided by 125, you get it as 0.8:1. It means for every 1 rupee obligation, they have resources of only 80 paise, and that clearly shows that there is going to be a shortage of 20 paise for every rupee of the obligation. And look at the scenario 3, where current asset is 100, current liability is 75. If you calculate current ratio, it is 100 by 75. You get it as 1.33:1. It means for every 1 rupee of obligation, there is a resource of 1 rupee 33 paise. It means after settling this 1 rupee, they will still be left with a surplus of 0.33, which ensures that organization is going to have breather, they are going to have comfortable liquidity position. And if you wish to learn more about financial analysis, follow this channel.